Hi, this is Brian Schiff with Functionally Fit. In this call, I'm going to demonstrate an exercise I refer to as a sliding hip sweep. This one goes along with the prior two columns using the slider to work on overall hip mobility. Left leg will be my stance leg to start. I'm going to position my right foot here, probably where the slider would be, almost as if you're pointing toward 11 o'clock. Arms can be out for balance and stability. We'll instruct them to sweep away from the other leg, kind of behind, pause, and then we're kind of coming back up. There's a little bit of a descent into this squat position for stability on the left side as we work on this motion, kind of like semicircle here. So the further they go out here, I'll get more of a stretch in the right groin, but we don't want to lose balance or control, so it's more about controlling this motion and being smooth and rhythmical as we work on getting some closed chain mobility here. So internal rotation on the left hip as I'm on my start or end position. And then as we go into this pause point halfway, we have more external rotation here. So again, 5 or 10 repetitions can be done on each side. It's more about warming the hip up, preparing it in a closed chain position for movement that could occur. This is great for athletes that have pivoting, cutting demands in their sport. But if you have somebody who's just stiff and tight, this exercise allows you to work on hip mobility, both in this closed chain fashion with a stance leg, as well as the sweeping leg here. And then you get some good glute stability for that proximal kinetic chain that transfers over in terms of injury prevention and performance.